Okay, so one other thing I'm hoping to accomplish today is definitely getting me some Texas barbecue. That's going to be really high on my list going forward. What I'm hoping to do specifically is start reviewing barbecue joints. The challenge is going to be convincing Wendy that we should be eating more barbecue, which isn't going to work out well, but that's okay. I can always keep trying. More barbecue. All right, so here we are in the first of what I hope to be many installments of our adventures across America seeking out the best brisket, or at least the best barbecue. So here we are in San Antonio, checking out a place called Two Brothers. This place was recommended by me from a Facebook group that I'm a part of dudes who are obsessed with barbecue, so I have a good feeling this one could be awesome. Let's see what we get. So it looks like they've got some awards. You know, it doesn't surprise me. This place seems pretty solid from what I'm seeing. They have a little pickle bar station where you can get your fill of a variety of pickles, which is nice. And let me see if I can get a peek in over what we're working with here. Oh, that's looking good. That's looking real good. I'm excited. So here's what we're looking at for food options. We went for the barbecue starter kit, which has a lot of everything. I'm pretty excited. Can't wait to see what this tastes like. I hope we left room for dessert, but I'm not so sure. We got this massive family-style platter. It comes with just about everything. We've got the pulled pork. We've got the ribs. We've got an amazing-looking brisket, sausage, chicken thighs, an amazing creamy-looking mac and cheese, and a potato salad. I can barely contain myself enough right now talking before I need to just jump in on this thing because I am going crazy for the smell right now. So, I guess real quick, I'll tell you how the brisket is. Oh my gosh. So first off, the layer of fat completely dissolved in my mouth immediately. And then I was brought up with the smoky flavor and then a little hint of salt from the bark. It was a really pleasurable bite. I should point out they do have 3 sauces available, but boy, right now just letting that meat flavor shine through is enough for me. So, you want to try something?
Yeah, time to get in.
Yeah, let's do this. Okay, so Wendy just wants to dive right in, but while she's doing that, I'll tell the sauces because ooh, coming in hot. In the yellow bottle here in front of me is the Sweet Thing. Classic barbecue sauce, mustardy, peppery, and just the right amount of sweet. Best served on everything. Sounds okay. Red one here is the Shriner Molasses. Bold flavors made with dark beer, espresso, molasses, and loads of spice. I have a feeling that one's going to be pretty darn good. And then the white one here is tangy spice, Carolina vinegar styled sauce with a tangy taste. Best served with pork and chicken. So that's what we've got here for sauces. I'm going to try some because this molasses one sounds really good to me.
My favorite. Let's see how good.
Oh my god. That sauce is definitely unique. You can really taste the espresso coming through. Got a dark, kind of smoky flavor. It definitely adds to the beef, which I like, but I will be interested to try some of the other flavors with it too.
Tomato sauce is killer. It's super creamy. There's definitely some like yummy eggplants in it though. Oh. It's like a good country picnic style. Definitely some throwbacks to some other places we've eaten at the village. You'll like it.
Yeah, you're gonna like the yellow one. It's kind of a combination. It's not a standard mustard, that's for sure. Had a kind of a sweet tang to it, but yeah, it's tasty.
So speaking of, I'm gonna try the pulled pork one with some of this tangy sauce. And leftovers. Already dreaming of those.
Oh boy. Wow. This mac and cheese, it looked creamy from initial inspection, but boy, I was pleasantly surprised when I got it into my mouth. Super creamy, like thick creamy. Really tasty. You're gonna like that. Oh my gosh, wow, that was really good.
Speaking of, we're on quite a roll, like knocking off a lot of states for barbecue.
Yeah, that's true. That's true. Hopefully many more to come. I love me some barbecue. Alright. Oh boy.
Definitely a thicker noodle. It's creamy, but
Oh wow. And I'm hopping in on the sausage. So I better just cut. I better cut this.
we don't want to do it. We don't want Sandra to turn this into a weird meme. Like
Yeah, no kidding. First, just straight by itself.
I gotta circle back to some more potato salad.
Pleasant. Yeah, mild, but has a nice spice to it. Yeah, smoky. And that's pleasant sausage. I like that. How's the potato salad? Okay.
It's definitely more of that country style with the celery in there.
Yeah.
Oh wow.
Depends on the potato salad, I guess.
Ooh, this looks pretty tender. See if I can.
Get the cheese pull on it.
Yeah, the bone just
my
came
gosh.
right out of it.
Wow.
Alright, I guess try it first. Oh my gosh.
Chicken thigh really retains the smoke.
Right now with some of the yummy sauce. I'm leaning towards this more vinegar. Is that the yellow?
Yeah. Me too.
Yeah. You know you're not all about chicken thighs?
Oh yeah.
It's so smoky.
That's really good. Yeah. Wash her down with a pickle from the pickle bar. Good. I should just point out too, this looks like I got a delicious end piece. Let's see if I can film this here. Look at that smoke. Oh, these end pieces are my favorite.
We'll show you guys later too. The vibes are super cool. Is this one worthy of a cart for coming back to in the future?
Yeah, I definitely would recommend this place. It's tasty.
Yeah.
I'll let you know how I feel after we stuff our face a little bit more. Hopefully not right in front of the camera. So until then, thank you for that. I'll see you in a second. All in all, I felt that this was some amazing barbecue. The things that stood out to me most were the brisket, especially the bark, the sweet thang mustard sauce, and the pickle station. I would definitely come back here if I came back to San Antonio. This place rocks, man. Definitely check it out.